Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are lazy mutton masala. We don't need to cut onion, tomato, anything. Mutton half kg, Kashmiri chili 4, onion chopped half, roughly chopped, tomato half chopped, roughly, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, salt as per taste, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric half tablespoon, pepper powder 1 tablespoon, half cup water. Make fine paste. Now transfer mutton in pressure cooker. Now add onion tomato paste. Marinate for 20 minutes. Keep aside. Now add water half cup. Close the lid. Pressure cook for 5 whistles. If you guys want oil, you can add at this point. Mutton is tender. Serve with hot rice or roti. Now transfer to a bowl. Coriander on top. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.